All right, today is Thursday. This one is kind of tricky. We're doing rhyme recognition again, except this time I want you to say the word that doesn't rhyme. We've been saying the two that do rhyme. So we'll do the first couple together, okay? Bus, art, cart. And you would say the one that doesn't rhyme, which is bus. See how it's tricky? We'll do these couple together. Low, by, high. You would say low, because by and high rhyme. Food, eat, meet. And you would say food. Done, rope, cope. You would say done, because rope and cope rhyme. Bed, dust, must. You would say bed. Slow, fast, last. And you would say slow. Okay, getting some tricky ones. Onset fluency, I'll say 3 words and you tell me what they start with. Fix, fiction, furniture. Usher, upstairs, us. Journey, just, jacket. Ja. Effort, exit, epic. Nest, navy, never. Okay. We're going to blend phonemes. I will do them with you again because we've got 3 sounds and we're going to blend all of those sounds together. Sack, sack. Aim, name. Now I'm going to give you a minute to do it by yourself and then I'll do it. Peace, peace. Bike, bike. Home, home. Cub, cub. Egg, peg. It, hit. Okay, isolating final sounds. This is where you give me a thumbs up if they end the same, thumbs down if they don't end the same. Come home. Yep. Out, on. They don't end the same. Bird, dad. Ship, drop. Leaf, grass. They do not end the same. Okay, we're going to segment. I'll do these with you because they have 3 parts. Side, you say the word side. Side. Mine. Tube. Tube. Okay, now you try this one by yourself. Same. Rice. Ten. Okay, we're going to add our initial phoneme. That means the initial is the beginning sound. We have the part et. Add v to the beginning and the word is v, et, vet. We have the part each. Add p to the beginning and the word is peach. We have the part oat. Add k to the beginning and the word is coat. We have the part ache. Add b to the beginning and the word is bake. We have the part it. Add f to the beginning and the word is fit. We have the part aim. Add g to the beginning and the word is game. Okay, now we're deleting. We have the word name without what's left? Aim. We have the word Sam without s, what's left? Am. We have the word hand without h, what's left? And. We have the word reach without what's left? Each. We have the word cinch without s, what's left? Inch. Okay, we're substituting phonemes. We have the word bunk, change b to ch, ch-unk, chunk. We have the word fill, change f to g, and the word is g-ill, gill. We have the word hide, change h to and the word is ride. We have the word bead, change b to and the word is lead. We have the word chick, change ch to p, and the word is pick. Very good. And we have hey diddle diddle. I like this one. I'll say it and you repeat. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle. The cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such a sight, and the dish ran away with the spoon. Tomorrow we have Humpty Dumpty. That's another one of my favorites. I'll see